into a jug. What's his name? Phil. Okay. How about a man with a plank on his head? Edward. Okay, I'll try it again. Edward? Edward? You say it with the American accent. I love American accents. How about, hey, over there they're selling ice cream. Can you imagine? What would you do with ice cream when it's real hot? Like if you have a vindaloo or something? I'll get in trouble for that. Okay. What do you call a girl with a frog on her head? Lily. Okay. How about a man with a seagull on his head? You got lots of seagulls around here. They sometimes they'll leave a little deposit on you. That ain't no fun. What do they call a man with a seagull on his head? Cliff. All right. Okay. How about one more? A man with a large black and blue mark on his leg. Bruce. Oh, wait a minute. I just got that one. Bruce. Yeah, all right. Okay. I'll let you go now. We'll go play some music. Yeah, all right, Rob. I'll shut up. Sorry, but he's a drummer.